Hello everyone, today we are going to make chicken tikka masala with Spicytude. To marinate, we'll start with yogurt, garlic, ginger and tikka masala spice bag number 1. Mix it well, pour it over the chicken and let it marinate for at least an hour. For the sauce, we'll chop onion, tomatoes and some cilantro to garnish. Add oil to a pan and add chicken in batches. Cook for 3 minutes on each side and set them aside. Add some oil to the same pan. Add onion. Once it's cooked, add tomato. Let it cook for a few more minutes. Then add sugar, the second spice mix bag. Cook to reduce. Add it to the blender and puree until it's smooth. Add the sauce to the pan. Add chicken and cook for 10 minutes. Add the cream, mix and then garnish with cilantro. Serve it with your choice of rice and thanks for watching.